and I answered a post a put now name. About to be at the party for about to walk. Prevention, I chose who gave for that. After standing there, that Bible with all.
Finish it today. They say September.
No, I'm going to understand because you can't
Oh, yes, you're up. Oh, yes, you're up. Oh, yes, you're up. Oh, yes, you're up. That's good. And that's all we can see. Yeah, at the moment, the court is closed for today. We hope, according to the judge, the continuation will be from September. We can hear some scrupulous individual making unnecessary statements, which is not acceptable. Good. I've seen all those cases as a case of Judas. Yes. Yes.
But the governor, not the president. The governor, not the president. The president, like hey, I'm on the more in every day. If you don't say you get that, then put the deck and make it. I will be the winner. And then I continue to win. Let me shoot. About all Pierre, you're back in the water. Now, we are usually I won't get a Chinese. And the governor was the man who commanded Chinese and Chinese. And I'm a neighbor. Maybe halfway wait. After that, the more witness and then make a mistake. You don't want you know about you. Where they got who can want and more. Not here to go whatever that. Here to go whatever. You need not go over the president in a governor and she not actually the yard. Go away. I'm going to know what you will take Biafra now. And I'm going to know what you eat now. Yes, I am now. My own and baby, and they are done the and they get very good. Yes, governor was not also Mandos and ambassadors in that.
So, audience, you can hear the sound of the noise maker. People making noise. She keep on making noise. That's what you can get from here.
Yes.
So,
yes.
That's what you can hear from here. We hope the verdict will come. This is the man who is I can call the architect of destruction. He's in the court today.
Yes, eh? No.
Take care of your phone. You Guinea. Brigi government. Brigi government. Brigi government. Brigi government. Abato Vienna Mungwano. Guinea.
Yes, what did you have for Biafrans today?
Biafra. As in Kono Mara that na ihe aha ị na-achọ n'ukenu na ya enwetabe n'uka.
Okay.
Obi dị nsọ aṅụrị maka na Nigerian terrorist government enwere case ebe
Chuks as a person. Honorable Benchus, I want to ask you today, please, how do you feel about today's court proceeding? How do you feel and how do you see all the things that happen in there?
Today is something I can say is really spectacular in the sense of this very case. I will hope the case will end 2 days according to the judge last week. But today he said after looking through the case, he doesn't have so much things to be prolonging the case, and after the prosecutor has given some kind of conflict all over the world, from Europe, from Asia, other things, a very long explanation, but the defense lawyer from our PM make a long argument, throw many lights, express the way the Nigerian government is
harboring terrorism
behavior towards Biafrans, through their terrorism, through their slaughtering, through many ways they are violating the rights of Biafrans. And even the Boko Harams, the activities of the Boko Haram in Nigeria, in the whole share. But I can see, after all these arguments, the judge said, I don't think I can prolong this argument anymore, but we have to give a little bit time to finalize everything, and I would like to let all the people who came from different parts of the world to travel home. I can see the passion in them. For me, this judge, he was the same judge that presided this issue last week. It was very good thing for us to see him again today. This is a man who can look on the face of the people and the passion in them and decide what he can be able to do. Thank you everyone today. It is really wonderful indeed. PM, for me, PM has won the case. And all the people that come here to bring unnecessary dramatic reactions. When you listen and watch through the video, you can see the distraction, but it doesn't deter us to do whatever we want to do. Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you for being staying true with us. Thank you for all the things you have been doing. All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra. Freedom.
Yes.
Freedom.
Very much happy.
Freedom for our PM.
Yeah.
Freedom for Mazin Nandekano.
You can see the brightness in his face.
Yes.
There's no much argument today to say that.
He told us nobody should cry that we have won.
Yes.
He told us.
He said it.
He said nobody should cry that we have won.
Went so
That's what he said. We that will be telling him that is the one that is telling us not to cry. That
so thank you
that is
for the audience.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, this is Honorable Scholar the mission head from Deutschland. You were in the court. What can you give us as an experience from today's court sitting?
You know, Biafrans, today was the day a shame was put on the face of the devil. So today, I don't know how to say it, but it's the most happiest day ever. You know, after the final statement, I feel like, and in fact, I jumped up to go and catch our peak. But God has done it marvelously today. Like I said before, the crown on his head, nobody can replicate. On his ordained that he, our people, Simon Ever, is the people that will lead us home. And it's happening to me. So the truth is already out. The truth never dies.
At all.
The freedom, justice, and that peace is already there.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I want to use this opportunity also to thank the Ojokuman, the DPS.
Thank you. Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you. Let me force you.
First of all,
Yeah.
smile.
Okay.
This
My
my
beloved,
My beloved honorable Pastor Rose, I can see all of you with flying color today. I can see all of you flying in with good honor, with very, very wonderful indeed. Can you tell us your experience in the court today, as everything has just ended so smoothly without no...
the prayer of Biafrans, the prayer of Biafran was answered. Today marked a remarkable day of the victory of our PM. Like I said, we have more.
Yes.
And only in Nigeria,
Okay, more, yes.
Or do here our PM Mazi Simon Epajokumere. Or do here Mazi Namde Kalumere. Just in Honacho freedom, Kai Umaka have a slave. Nde Nigeria be anara yihan. Manaye grow yigo Kai nare. And actually, I want to tell you, na ye nwezi court again, ihe nwezi bi wepụta ka BM ayepụta, because it ain't in praises. It did not end the way the devil wanted. It did not end the way the Nigerians, the evil ones, the Jaja we want it. Our freedom has come and we are going home. Biafrans all over the world, from the homeland till here, we thank you.
Thank you so much.
We thank the Biafran, the genuine one in this Finland, who has made it possible for this thing. We want to use the opportunity to say thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Everyone.
Thank
you.
Thank you.
This is honorable
Smile.
Amozie. First of all, I want to thank Biafrans, and then it's a very happy thing to see that at the end of the day that the discussion, the case, everything was finalized, and then yes, and then the judge have had enough, and today again we did not see the presence of Nigeria. We could not see the presence of Nigeria, and then all the whole shenanigan they have been displaying. They have displayed through, however, whatever that they find means to landed in Finland and in Finland court. Today, they have been given opportunity to come and defend their lives, to come, but they run away. They are nowhere to be found. You know what? But the Biafran government have stood, did everything to protect Biafran, and we will continue doing that, not just only here in Finland, in everywhere in the world. We have told them, and we will keep on reminding Finland, every citizen of every country, the primary duty of the government of that country is to protect her citizens wherever, whenever, however. So based on that, you can see Biafrans, we come out from this court with a joyful heart, and you saw us when we were with Obato Bie inside the court, when we were just having a good time discussing. So based on that, I say Biafrans, once again, we will see and we will talk about and analyze more of it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.